Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you a mathematics topic that is prime factorization. It is important topic. This prime factorization method is helpful in solving the square roots and cube roots. It plays very important role in solving these root problems. Okay, let's know what is prime factorization. Prime factorization is a method of finding all the prime numbers that multiply to form a number. Example, prime factorization is a method of multiplying all the prime numbers. Prime numbers like 2, 3, 5, these numbers will get multiplied and they form one particular number. 2, 3 is a 6, 6, 5 is a 30. This is the prime factorization method. First, let's know what is prime numbers. Prime numbers are numbers that can only be divided by itself or 1 without remainders. These numbers are multiplied by itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These are all known as prime numbers. They can be multiplied with their tables or one's table. For example, 2 is even number but it is a prime number. 2 will not go in any table. And 3 is odd number. Almost all the odd numbers are prime numbers. Here 3, 5, 7, 9 is not a prime number because 9 can be multiplied in 3 3s are 9. So 9 दूसरों के टेबल्स में भी मल्टीप्लाई होता है. तो ऐसे नंबर्स को कॉम्पोजिट नंबर्स कहते हैं. जो प्राइम नंबर्स को छोड़ के जो दूसरों के टेबल में भी कैंसिल या मल्टीप्लाई होते हैं तो ऐसे नंबर्स को कॉम्पोजिट नंबर्स कहते हैं. जैसे अदर देन प्राइम नंबर्स आर नोन एज कॉम्पोजिट नंबर्स. तो मैं बताती हूँ प्राइम नंबर्स को सेल्फिश नंबर्स भी कहा जाता है. Let's solve some prime factorization numbers. Okay, we'll solve 36 by prime factorization method. There are different methods of solving prime factorization. First, मैं दो तरीके आपको इस वीडियो में बताती हूँ. I'll solve 36 by division method and also by tree method. This is division method, tree method. 36. First number of prime number is 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9. Okay, this is division method. अब 36 को ट्री मेथड में सॉल्व कर लेंगे. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Next 18 again will go in 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. 2 is prime number. 3 is a 9. So 36 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. In the same way, tree method में 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 same. कौन सा method तो भी solve कर लो, you'll get the same answer. I have already told you that prime factorization method is helpful in solving the square roots or cube roots. तो देखो यहाँ पे 36 can be written as 36. परफेक्ट स्क्वायर फाइंड आउट करना बोले तो 2 टाइम्स आर रिपीटेड, 3 2 टाइम्स. स्क्वायर रूट विल गेट कैंसल्ड, स्क्वायर रूट विल गेट कैंसल्ड. 2 3 is 6. 36 का परफेक्ट स्क्वायर इज 6. It is helpful in solving the squares and cube roots. The prime factorization of 36 is 2 square into 3 square. Okay, this method I have explained to find out the square roots or cube roots. Okay, up to here the answer. Next we'll solve 210. You can solve by any method, tree method or division method. You will get the same answer. I think easy method is division method. Let's go for division method. 210. 2 10s are 20. 1 is remaining. 2 5s are 10. First we have to check the lowest prime number. In 2 table, this 5 unit digit is 5. This 5 number, odd number will not go in 2's table. Let's move to some higher number, 3. 3 3s are 9, 1 is remaining, 3 5s are 15. Next, in 3 table, 35 will not go. 3 11s are 33. 3 12s are 36. So 35 will not go. Let's go for 5 table. 5 7s are 35. 7 is prime number. Let's stop here. 210 can be written as 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. Prime factorization is a multiplication of prime numbers and it will form some particular number. This is prime factorization method. Next, one more problem with 4 digits division method. In 2 table, 1225 will not go because odd number. Next, 3. Let's try for 3. 3 4s are 12. In last 25 we will not go. 4 will not go. 5. 5 2s are 10. 2 is remaining. 5 4s are 20. 20 means 2 is remaining. 5 5s are 25. Next, again 5. 5 4s are 20. 4 is remaining. 5 9s are 45. 49 will go in 7 table. 7 7s are 49. 1225 can be written as 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. ये नंबर का परफेक्ट स्क्वायर भी हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. जैसे देखो 5 स्क्वायर एंड 7 स्क्वायर. स्क्वायर एंड रूट विल गेट कैंसल. 5 7 is 35. इसका परफेक्ट स्क्वायर फाइंड आउट करने पूछा तो यू हैव टू राइट अप टू हियर द मेथड इज सेम बट थोड़ा स्क्वायर रूट में डाल के 5 स्क्वायर एंड 7 स्क्वायर यू हैव टू डू एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर. अब मैंने इस वीडियो में 2 डिजिट 3 डिजिट 4 डिजिट के प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड सिखाए हैं. ओके, एक टेस्ट रखूंगी 72. लेट्स फाइंड आउट द factorization method of 70 and write your answers in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you understood this concept.